Danshan Corps after ban after escaping sanction. In final, British Energy lines match as he fails to have foul play cured. Danshan has learned his suspension paid after being seated for his clear out on Tom Lynagh in the third test between Australia and the British Energy lines. The incident was missed by the matchday official during the game, with Wallabies playmaker Lynagh forced off the pitch and did not return after failing his HIA. However, he was treated by Independent Sitting Commissioner Adrian Menace for an act of foul play contrary to Law 9.20a, which reads dangerous play in a ruck or maul. A play must not change into a ruck or maul. Charging includes any contact made without bending onto another player in the ruck or maul. A World Rugby statement has confirmed that Lance Hooker has been suspended for the more matches due to 3 unsuccessful completion of the coaching intervention for his actions. Don Shaheen banned. The statement added that Shaheen did not believe that his action was an act of foul play and did not accept that their offensive warranted a sitting. In determining the sanction, the committee noted that in his submission, the player had not accepted that foul play occurred and did not accept that the offensive warranted the sitting. The statement added, the committee reviewed the matter, including submission and footage, and determined that Shaheen's actions were contrary to Law 9.20a, charging it to a ruck or maul. In determining foul play, the committee found that Shaheen's actions were reckless. The committee found that he had contact with a Australian player, that his action amounted to a high degree of danger, and that no mitigation applied. On the basis of all evidence before them, the committee decided that the offending warranted the mandatory mid-range entry point of 6 matches. The committee decided not to award full 50% mitigation due to the non-acceptance of foul play, resulting in a final sanction of 4 matches, reduced to 3 unsuccessful completion of the coaching intervention. Shaheen will now miss the opening 2 matches of Leinster URC season at Leeds as well the Irish Province pre-season clash against Cardiff. If it does complete the World Rugby coaching intervention program, he will be available for selection for the Inter-Pro Derby against Munster on October 18. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.